Hey guys, welcome to my video. It's CammyJOfficial, so let's start the show. My name is Cammy. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get right to the video. All right, y'all, so in this video, I'm going to be testing out some new hair products from our very own Auntie Tabitha Brown. She has hit us with this new sweet potato line of natural hair products. So I did a video using her shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm going to do the styling video. So this right here is the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'm also going to be using the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. So I have freshly washed my hair, and I just made sure that I put this little shower cap on because I wanted to keep the moisture in my hair while I did it. So let's get right to the style. Today I am going to be doing a twist out using these products. And as soon as I saw Tabitha Brown had a hair care product out, y'all, I ran, okay? I didn't walk, I ran to the store and made sure that I could get it. So I'm just going to start with my parts right here for the twist out, and I think I'm going to end up doing kind of like a chunky kind of twist out. I'm not going to really do like a whole bunch of little tiny twists, because when I do show you guys how this dries after I put the twist in, I do want it to have like a fuller look to it. So I'm going to grab the leave-in conditioner, and when I tell y'all this smells just like sweet potato pie, it smells exactly like a sweet potato pie. Auntie did not disappoint, okay? Now it says here that it is rich and sweet. It is made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Perfect hair recipe for nourishment and moisture for your hair and your scalp. So it says that this has no parabens, it's color safe, mineral oil free, petroleum free, and free of any SLS or SLES. So I'm going to take my long spray bottle and I'm just going to hit my hair with just a little bit more of a spray, because we do want to set these twists and have them nice, and I prefer my twists be set when they are wet. But she says you do not need to use this with water if you don't want to. So I'm going to take some like so right here, and this is what came out, and this is the consistency, guys. It is really nice in the consistency for a leave-in, perfect, not too thin, not too thick. And it definitely smells like just like a nice sweet potato pie. I don't know how she did it. I don't know how she was able to capture like a sweet potato pie in a leave-in conditioner, but she definitely did it. I am just really surprised by that, because at first I was like, is this really gonna smell good? You know, the gimmick with the sweet potatoes or whatever, but it is actually a very pleasant smell. So if you are somebody who is sensitive to like scents and fragrances in your hair products, you do not have to worry about this one, because this is a very light, soft scent. It is not going to be a scent that's going to give you a headache all day. So as you can see, I have put it in my hair, and we are getting moisture, okay? We are getting moisture. My hair feels really good. I can already feel it penetrating my hair already. So it looks like the leave-in is going to be pretty darn good. So I definitely forgot to mention that this retails for $15. And for that $15, you are getting 8 fluid ounces for the product. Now that I've applied my leave-in and the water, I'm just going to take my wet brush right here, and I'm just going to gently glide that through just to give it a little boost with the detangling. Now I'm going to grab the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. It says that it is rich and sweet. And here is the consistency of the hair cream, just so you guys can get a look at it. This is made with pretty much the same ingredients as the leave-in. It says it's made with natural sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla, sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Perfect hair recipe for moisture and shine to give your hair an extra boost. And it says to apply this, you need to just apply a small amount on damp or dry hair and style as desired. So I'm going to take, this at a small amount, so I'm gonna take about that much. As you can see, even though it's a cream, it's not very thick, but I'm gonna follow these directions, and I'm going to take that small amount and I'm going to apply it to my hair. I do like, again, the fact that she says you can use this on wet or dry hair, because not everybody likes to wet style their hair, especially if you're going for elongated type of styles. So now that I got that section done, I'm just going to grab and I'm going to twist. So what I can say, my initial thought is, not only does it smell really good, but it feels really good in my hair. I do appreciate the fact that the formulation for the leave-in conditioner and the styling cream are both very lightweight, right? Because not everybody wants their hair to kind of be weighed down, and that can sometimes happen with certain hair creams, just depending on how thick it is and the formulation. But this is very nice and light. All right, so this is how one twist looks, and I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it is giving me a lot of shine. Like, I'm getting a lot of shine from this product. But guys, comment below and let me know what you think about how this first twist looks. So I'm gonna move on to this big section right here. All right, so these are the 3 twists I did right here. All right, y'all, so I have finished twisting my entire head of hair. So this is the final look. Anything extra that I had on my hands, as you saw, I just went ahead and just patted it in my hair because we're going to use all of that product. So this is what the back looks like. So it is nighttime. My hair is finally done. I've done all my twists in my full wash day routine. Whew, your girl is tired. So I'm going to put on my satin bonnet, go to sleep, and tomorrow I'm going to show you the final results. All right, y'all, it is the next day. So let's go ahead and take these twists out and see the results. So I'm just going to start with these twists right here. Just going to unravel slowly. All right, so that's what the inside of the twist looks like. You guys can see it looks very nice and moisturizing. Guys, look at this definition. Look at this definition here. It is nice and soft, but it is still very fluffy. So yeah, I am liking it thus far. I honestly was not surprised, or I'm not surprised at the level of definition based on the way that the products were like working so well with my hair and going into my hair. So like, look at this. Look at that. That is super, super defined. And before, you guys saw, I didn't do it in very tiny twists. This was definitely not a mini twist set. This was just like my normal size twist. And I was able to get so much definition from it. All right, y'all, so all the twists are out. And yeah, so this is how my hair looks. This is the definition. This is the shine. This is the glow that we are getting. So here's my final verdict on these 2 products by Donna's Recipe by Miss Tabitha Brown. So the sweet potato extra creamy leave-in conditioner, and then the sweet potato extra creamy hair cream. So first and foremost, the leave-in conditioner, I really liked. But the leave-in conditioner is something that I would definitely use again. This is definitely a repurchase for me. I love the way not only it felt in my hair, but I love the way that it made my hair feel after sitting in my hair. Like, y'all, my hair feels so soft to the touch. And one thing I want to mention before I forget is actually the sweet potato smell, or the sweet potato pie smell that you smell in here, does not last a very long time, right? So I had my husband smell my hair after it had dried, and he just caught a very faint smell of the sweet potato pie, but he had to get really close. So if you are somebody who is concerned about your hair smelling like dessert all day long with this product, I will let you know the fragrance does disappear over time. Now, when it comes to this, the extra creamy hair cream, this also gets a thumbs up from me. Definitely based on the results that I'm seeing now. This is a very nice, very defined, very soft twist out that gave me a lot of definition. So the sweet potato extra creamy hair cream, also it smells just like the leave-in conditioner. What I do like about this hair cream is the fact that it's not overly thick, right? Some hair creams are very thick. This is just a bit thicker than the leave-in conditioner, and the two of them definitely work very well together. I have so much shine in my hair and so much movement with it. This is not like a stiff or heavy type of twist out. If you're the type of person that enjoys your hair, you know, to have movement to it and have body and to have shine, these products will get you that. So I definitely enjoyed using this hair cream. So in my very honest opinion, both of these products surprised me a lot. Both of these products I would definitely repurchase. But guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel, clicking on that notification bell, so that way you know whenever I post more videos. But as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.